Hello, it's Fast Charlie. Got a package here today. It's from Big Al, A-L, our Lebel. And he had asked me a while ago, he had sent me a package previously. And he asked me if I wanted some more. And when he first asked me, I said, don't want to be too greedy. I want to make sure that I get through most of the ones that I had just received from a couple of other packages. So I followed up. I said, hey, I'm ready. I've been picking quite a few challenge lots, and gone through most of them. So, this should be a box of fun. Oh, we've got a note. I'll make sure everything's cool. Yeah. YouTube. There we go. Have fun. I recognize these. Baggies for his locks that he made. And I'll grab this note out here. Whoa. Haha. Awesome. He was saying that he's been sending out a lot of challenge locks, so he made some extras of his because he was running a little low on other people's. That's not a problem. And he sent this key-shaped folding knife. That's awesome. I won't be able to put it on my key ring though, because I'm a forgetful guy. Sometimes for work I go into places where get in big trouble if you take a folding knife like that. No Key by Pickaholic. That's a pretty wild keyway. Gotta keep these bags together. And we've got from Truckmaster 30. Didn't have a key. Okay, pinned by Pick Me 1977. Oh, click fail. I have seen this picked before. Yeah, I've picked some pick-me's. I didn't have a key before. Ooh, this Daz. Oh man. You know what? I'm gonna have. Oh, we got a wrapper fail. I'll have to get some tape on there and try to forget that I saw his video just recently. I'm gonna try to get in here, but I don't know. That might take me a while. Sightless Senshi. Weihenmeyer, I believe. And that is the first blind man to successfully climb Mount Everest. And this is designed by Sightless Senshi. That's an interesting keyway. Cool. Can't wait to get in these. And here we go. The big reveal. We've got TNT. quick set. Have to keep these together. These bags are perfect for that when you have a mummied key. And fluke. That also looks like a quick set. Interesting. What in the world? It's all cut out here. Huh. I can't wait to see what's in here. And Schleg Pansy. I've picked the putts before by someone else. I think it might have been Pickaholic. Acid. It's a Schleg AL. Well, oops. Perfect. Well, I don't think I'll be giving any of these a shot. You know, because no one else has picked them. I'm not feeling super confident today. But, let's see. I don't know. I can't resist the temptation. No key. I'll Pickaholic or click fail. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what I can do here. I'm gonna try no key by Pickaholic. We'll see how it goes. Thank you, Lebel. Just in case this doesn't go as planned. I really appreciate it. That's really awesome. I love picking your locks, and I'm gonna love picking all these too. I really appreciate it, and man, you're getting to be quite a picker. Besides the lock maker. Goodness. It's about to open up.